What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the FX Function X token on Coinbase. As you can see, we are already logged into our account on Coinbase, but if you don't have one yet, you can sign up through the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. After that, once you are logged into your account, you can go to this homepage, and here we have a search bar option right on top. We will click on that and now we will fill in FX. And there you will find the Function X token. We will select it, and after that you will arrive at the token page. As you can see, we have a price chart over here with different time frames. You can select them to see what the coin has done in the previous time. And after that you have some information about this coin. You can read it. We also have some stats about this coin, like the market cap, the volume, and different information. Read through it, and after that you can go to the right side. Here we have the trading options. You can buy coins, sell coins, and convert coins. For now we would like to buy coins, so we'll leave it on the buy option here. And here you have the order type. You have two different types of orders. You have a one-time order and a recurring buy. And basically what a one-time order does, it buys you a single order of a certain amount of crypto, and the recurring buy is doing a automatic purchase on a daily, weekly or monthly base. So if you are planning to buy this coin a lot more than once, then definitely try that out. For now we will leave it on a one-time order, and as you can see, we need to fill in the amount we would like to spend on this coin. For an example, we would like to use 1000 euros, and here you can see the amount of coins we are receiving in return. After that you can select your payment method over here, just click on it, and here you have a list with the available payment methods for us. If your preferred payment method is not over here, you can add a new one by clicking on this button down below. Once you have done that, select your payment method and you can go back to this overview. Always check if you have filled in the right amount of euros or dollars before buying it, and always check if you have selected the right cryptocurrency and the right payment method. For now we will leave it because we already know this is the right one, so we will click on review order. And at this point I will give you guys a very useful hack to save yourself a lot of money while trading or purchasing crypto on Coinbase. As you can see, we are paying a transaction fee. A transaction fee is basically a fee you are paying towards Coinbase for using their platform while trading or purchasing crypto. And as you can see, the transaction fee for this order is 38 euros and 37 cents. But if you would like to save yourself this amount of euros on a purchase, then you need to use Coinbase One. Coinbase One is a subscription and you can try it out for free for 7 days. After this you will pay 25 euros a month, and as you can see, on a one-time order you already making profit on it. So definitely worth to try it out. Once you have decided to buy this coin, just click on buy now, and after that these coins will be added automatically to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!